Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business office corridor depth control using adaptive wide angle in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import an office corridor image. I pause because corridors represent direction in business environments. The wide angle stretches the walls unnaturally. I duplicate the layer calmly. I enter Camera Raw filter and choose adaptive wide angle. I draw long vertical lines along both corridor walls. I pause and observe the space correcting itself. I zoom in and check doors, lights, and signs. I reduce distortion slightly for a natural look. I zoom out and feel balance and flow. Now I place business branding text at the center of the corridor. The final